these frames. Spark plug slash when you say my name. Crankshaft
turning down my spine, timing belt tight, everything in line.
Pistons pumping a 4-beat chest. Compression bills, no time to rest.
Fuel injectors kiss the flame, air and fire, I'm not the same.
Camshaft lips, let the valves breathe in. Manifold pulling oxygen.
EQ mind reads every sign, redline pulsing perfect time. I'm a euphoric engine, hard and dry. Cylinder rhythm keeping me alive. Oil pressure veins running high. No misfire in the love I've got. Turbo breath and a supercharged grin. Throttle wide, let the rush begin. From first spark to the fire within. I'm a euphoric engine.
Radiator cools my burning skin. Thermostat where the heat begins.
Alternator spins at my will. Battery charge when the night gets still.
Clutch plate grip when you pull me near. Gearbox shifts out doubt and fear.
Torque like muscle over bone. Steel frame soul with flesh and chrome. Gasket sealed, no pressure leaks. Hydraulic lifters when passion peaks. Sensors wired beneath my skin. Reading every pulse within. I'm a euphoric engine forged in steel. Combustion core that makes me feel. RPM heartbeat climbing high. Exhaust size to the midnight sky. Differential pin split the load. Axle truth on a winding road. From first spark to the fire within. I'm a euphoric engine.
Flywheel spin, don't let me stall. Brake lines hold, but I want it all.
Catalytic heart burns clean. Smoke and sweat and gasoline.
Bleed the lines, flush the doubt, rebuild the block from the inside out.
Torque wrench truth, click lock tight. Chassis shaking the neon light. I'm a euphoric engine, redline soul. Full throttle faith, no loss of control. Piston driven destiny. Mechanical ecstasy. Wide open, no governor. Steel and sinew, rev it harder. From first spark to the fire within. I run on pure combustion wind. Ignition off, but embers glow. Residual heat in undertow. Even in silence deep within, still roars the euphoric engine.